In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Zillow listing link on desktop. This is a quick, reliable way to share a specific property with friends, family, clients, or your own notes without any confusion about which home you're talking about. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This works the same in Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, and most others. In the address bar at the top, type Zillow.com and hit Enter. You'll land on the Zillow homepage where you can begin your search. Next, use the search bar on Zillow to find the property you want to share. You can enter an address, a city and neighborhood, or even a zip code. Once you see the search results, click the specific listing you want. Make sure you're opening the dedicated property page, not just the general results. The property page will show details like photos, price, description, and map. When the listing page fully loads, move your cursor to the top of the browser and click inside the address bar where the website link appears. The full web address should become highlighted. If you see only part of it selected, click once more until the entire URL is highlighted. In many browsers, this happens automatically with a single click. The key is that the entire link is selected so you copy the exact address of that listing. With the URL highlighted, copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing Copy. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click opens the same menu. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on a Mac. Either method places the link on your clipboard so it's ready to paste. You can now paste the link wherever you need it. Click into an email, a message, a document, or a chat field, and press Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on a Mac. You'll see the Zillow link appear. It might look long, and that's normal. Anyone who clicks it will be taken directly to the property page you selected, complete with photos and details. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Confirm that the page you copied from shows the exact property you intend to share, and avoid copying from the search results page, as that link can change. Also, if the browser shows a preview when you paste, that's just a helpful feature. The link itself will still work. And that's it. You've successfully copied a Zillow listing link on desktop and can share it anywhere with confidence.